Newton's three laws of motion connect the physical quantities of force and mass. The first one, called the law of inertia, says that an object will remain at rest, or in its present state of motion, unless acted upon by a net external force. If an object stops, begins to move, changes speed or direction, it means that a net external force is acting. Newton's second law says that when a force is applied to an object, the size of the force is equal to the mass of the object multiplied by the resulting acceleration. In this example, a 60-kilogram ice skater is standing still. Someone pushes her. After 5 seconds, she's travelling at 2 meters per second. Acceleration is final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time taken. That's 2 meters per second, subtract 0 meters per second, divided by 5 seconds, giving an acceleration of 0.4 meters per second per second. Newton's second law tells us that the size of the force on the 60-kilogram skater is 24 newtons. The third law, called the action-reaction principle, says that for every action force by one object on another, there is an equal and opposite reaction force by the second object on the first. This law is the reason that skaters can do ollies. The skater pushes down on the back of the board. When the board hits the ground, the downwards force on the board from the skater's muscles transfers to the ground. And according to Newton's third law, there is an equal and opposite force that the ground exerts, pushing upwards on the board and the skater. This force gets the skater and the board into the air.